Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to unlock chat in Roblox step by step. First, open Roblox and log into your account. If your chat is locked or restricted, don't worry. We'll fix it. Go to the Roblox website using your browser. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner and select Set. Now click on Privacy. Under Communication, you'll see options like Who can chat with me? Change it to Everyone or your preferred option. If you're under 13, some chat features may be limited due to Roblox safety rules. In that case, a parent may need to adjust settings in parental control. And that's it. Your Roblox chat should now be unlocked. Like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.